How do I get my home ready to sell? Hi everyone, Felix Altamirano here, and in this video we will be discussing best practices to get your home ready to sell. An excellent question for many sellers to ask themselves before they choose to put their home on the market is, what should I do to get my house ready for sale? A good place to begin is just by asking the simple question is, what would a typical buyer like to see if they viewed my property today? Naturally, there is a lot of work to be done before you list your home. Everything must be done behind the scenes before you give buyers the opportunity to look at your home and start asking questions. That way, when you finally open the doors, you are ready, prepared to make the sale. That being said, there are some things that every seller needs to do. These include cleaning things up around the house and decluttering. Prospective buyers do not want to see a dirty house or clutter everywhere. If you want to see reasonable offers, remove the clutter and clean thoroughly. You will also want to assess the property and make needed repairs. Broken door handles, ripped window screens, stained carpets, and missing tiles can cause your house to be seen as unattractive. The more of these little cheap fixes that you make, the more desirable your home will become. Proper home maintenance shows you care for your property. There may also be big jobs that need to be done. In the event there are major repairs that are needed, wait to talk to your agent before you invest in any major repairs. You want to ensure that the investment will benefit you in the end. Finally, before listing your home, you should take great pictures of the property. The photos on your listing are the first thing that most buyers are going to see, so you want to ensure that the photos are a good representation of the property. As you can see, before listing the property, there are many things to be taken into consideration. By being proactive and ensuring that the home is clean, presentable, properly maintained, and pictures are appealing, your home will be seen as attractive by prospective buyers. Thanks everyone for watching my video. For additional real estate videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thank you so much.